In 1.3, the bundle manager was rolled into the bundle browser. What does this word bundle mean? It's a collection of 3D objects that go together. For example, all of the STL files that make up the Sleipnir, its Kickstarter editions, and its variants belong to one bundle, the Sleipnir bundle. Let's take a look at the bundle browser. When you go to Asset, you'll see Bundle Browser. This is the same menu as found for Brush. You can expand it by clicking on this tab and dragging left. All the bundles are located in the left pane. If you don't see any bundles, click on this refresh button. It will do a refresh, and there we go. If you still don't see any bundles, check your internet settings. When you click on a bundle you already have downloaded, such as the Sleipnir, you'll see properties and sample files, as well as some versions that are available. You then can go through and click on any of these folders. When you're outside of the main folder, the properties menu vanishes again. That way, if you have a lot of folders to browse through, you're not getting stuck with that. You can always see it again by clicking on the main folder. Let's go to a bundle we have not downloaded yet, the Cerberus. Here it says we have version available as 4, but we have not downloaded it yet. So click on download. This will slowly increment, and when it gets to 99 it will freeze as it does the extraction at that point. This might take some time on older devices. Now that it's done downloading, you'll see you have an option to load a sample file, and you can click on it one more time to now be able to go into and see folders, such as the clips, the whole interior. Let's load up that sample file now. The Cerberus. There we go.